Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and we are here at the beach with a brand new, ever-advanced chair for the beach. So let's take a look at it. We'll unbox it, open it up, try it out, and then I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5. I'll let you know what I think of it. Let's see what we got here. Obviously comes in this nice carry case with the arm strap and all that. Comes in a nice carry case. Ooh, it's very finished looking, like things like it has Velcro to hold it shut and stuff to make it easy for you to carry and transport. I think it actually might even have a handle. Let's try that. All right, let's go over here, see how it looks. Okay, how cool is this? This thing is super lightweight, easy to transport. It's padded, really, really, really solid. Okay, watch this. You could be sitting upright or you could recline. How cool is that? I could actually spend the whole day at the beach like this. I might even take a nap. I think this is cool. I'm gonna have to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score for freaking awesomeness. Love it.